Let's look at the impact of the real economy in students' life. And most probably, I think you're a student, and then that's why you want to look at the impact of the real economy for the students' learning and how it's all going to change for the future. And back in the days when I was in uni, I learned e-commerce, international business, and stuff for my master's degree. But things were not as cooking as this smart, like social media, the AI. We were not much aware. So we knew about the real trends like Google, how it's moving and things are going. But right now, if you are a student, if you are right now at college, it's going to be a big change for you. And if you're smart, you can utilize these digital technologies to really be ahead of the game and tapping into the potential and even start earning money. This is what I have covered in this article, the impact of real economy on student learning, and a comprehensive guide which you're going to see below this video. If you're seeing this on the Seacoast University, or else if you're seeing this video on YouTube, you can click the link below to the article which I have the detailed guide and step-by-step explain everything about the facts and what you need to do, and a comprehensive guide for the future of real economics and how you can start learning while at uni, spending a little time, maybe the weekends, maybe allocating one day. And most probably you can start making money by utilizing some of those skills, really economic skills, which are covered in this article. And you'll see the facts, and you're going to get to see like why you should really start learning if you start paying attention what is real economics and why and how it will start impacting on, or else you're a person who's teaching, you are new to this side of the things, and you want to look for your child's future career, and he's already studying marketing or else studying international business, just went to do the international business management degree or the masters, but you want to know what are the things that will impact his career and how starting early as possible right now. If you're seeing this video, what are the things all being covered in this detailed guide? And so I'm just like a little bit of looking about the things, how it's going to impact, what are the major areas that will start impacting for the future careers, how it's going to change, and of course it's going to get really competitive, and it's not going to be as like what people thought, like you do a marketing degree and you're going to get this job. Like I see a lot of people even at ClickDo, whenever we put like for a job, like we get hundreds of thousands of in a matter of days. Like on Indeed, when we run an ad, people are looking for jobs and they like have marketing degrees, and we only pick the people who are good with these tools, like who good with the AI tools. I really start looking for people who are already good at like prompting with the ChatGPT, and they know the AI tools to be efficient. Even if you are a videographer, if you are studying media, have you used this tool to be more efficient? The job that would have taken you days, now it's a matter of minutes to an hour you can complete. So these are the things that can be utilize and be ahead of the game and win the game, and soon as possible jump it and do that one. So the comprehensive guide cover everything. I want you to read, and the link is below as I said, and it covers about the understanding the economy, the definition of the real economy if you're kind of new to it, what is the real economy. And real economy refers to the economic and social activities that are based on digital technologies, encompassing the production, distribution, consumption of the goods and services. It encompasses various sectors such as e-commerce, digital marketing, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, blockchain, and Internet of all the things. You probably heard of some of the things, but go into detail. What are the trending sectors in the real economy? E-commerce is very much trending. It of course been trending for the last decade or so, but now it's really booming. Everybody's like really looking for, like, since after the COVID, and it's e-commerce. People like order online, order the delivery, order the marketplace, Amazon, look at the shares and everything went up. So e-commerce is rising. One of the rising online shopping platforms and marketplaces has transformed the traditional retail. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba, and eBay have revolutionized the way consumers buy products and allow business to sell via these platforms. It's now also easier than ever to start a cheap website and turn it to an e-commerce store. So that's the thing you need to think about, right? So these are examples that's been covered, and you can see how you can start a website. Maybe you have a passion, maybe you're a designer, maybe you have a skill set. How can you start a website and start offering those web services without even worrying about going to an employer and getting in a job and just start waiting till you get the job to be done? So these are the potential of it. And you can learn digital marketing. Digital advertising and promotions is really rising. Every business wants digital marketeers who can support with their marketing. So if you learn Google advertising, Facebook advertising, and how to do Instagram marketing, LinkedIn advertising, YouTube video creation plus marketing, you have the chance. All the business will start looking for people who has the skills to really come in and do stuff. I mean, that's what I look at. I look at, like, so we have at Seekos, like video create, like we have James, he'll create the videos, he'll edit the videos, he knows about the AI, he will do the prompt engineering, he will all the sort of these planning, right? Look at other ways, like we have people who can write. They will write the content, they know how to optimize, run Google ads, Facebook ads. So be skilled on it. It's a matter of few days to a week. You can, in a weekend, you can learn to become good at Facebook advertising. Next weekend, you can learn to become good at search and optimization, Instagram marketing. These are the things. Like, I learned it, all those things, like by myself when I first started as in the deal entrepreneurship, like as a digital marketer. I found out like SEO is going to be a rising industry, so I went all in learning about search and optimization, then digital marketing techniques, Facebook advertising. Early days I learned it, then I hired people who can actually do it way better because I gave them the time to really spend and master it, while actually I went and start selling and getting clients to provide the service. So, and the remote work is going to really take over. If you think you want to become a digital nomad, a lot of people now really think you like to work remotely, location independently, and do stuff. So remote work, what are kind of the jobs that you can do remote work, right? So how about you start learning those skills that you can offer remotely while based anywhere. So these are the things. Data analytics is big, artificial intelligence and automation is going to be really big. So coding and all, some videos and things says like after 5 years you don't even need coding. Right now even a lot of coding bugs, even our coders are actually using AI tools to get the code done, and they've been super efficient. So you don't even have to put down the time to learn coding. You can learn these tools and learn prompt engineering to get the work done, and you can be ahead. You can literally learn coding right now, no code. You can just Google no code and the things, so you can start learning. And there is going to be a lot of impact on also the learning, right? So impact in the sense like it's going to be for the good, the access to the information, collaborative learning, enhanced learning experience, the career expectations are like you really can access to information more than what you even learning at college or university. And so even as a teacher, as a parent, these are the things you can read and learn to support your child, the student, because you can look into the trends without even be based on the old ways of traditional internet marketing. You can really look at where things are moving and help them and guide them to learn these kind of things, which are going to be really helpful. I would say, like, if you are like strategic programming, after giving the fundamentals, teach them on, of course, to be efficient, to use this tool and get the code done quickly rather than typing the code and try to do that and spending hours and hours. So future careers in digital economy is also covered, so make sure you go about and read. I talk about the future careers that's going to be like really high in demand. The data science, analytics, artificial intelligence, and the machine learning is going to be really big if you're interested. These are the careers that you should be spending time to learn with. And of course, digital marketing and social media management in a very high end, using AI. How can you do that? But not like the old way of like writing the article and doing keyword analysis. No, you can use these AI tools to do that. Social media marketing got really easy. Like, how can you just literally use the tools and set up to run the social media on all social media platforms? So be good at that, and there is opportunity for that. Cybersecurity, something to learn. You can be more efficient. Of course, always going to be need from cybersecurity as more and more digital economy is growing. That means more cyber attacks and things are the potential. If you're interested about cybersecurity and you want to become a cybersecurity expert, potential is always there for you. Software development programming is going to take a change, which you can learn the fundamentals and also look at what are the future languages going to be needed, and then use the tools to be efficient about your programming. So that's where things are leading. Essential skills for digital economy is also covered. The critical thinking is going to be needed a lot. Communication and collaboration skills, digital literacy, adaptive and lifelong learning. How can you quickly adapt to new tools and the things? And creativity and innovation is going to be something that's going to employers are going to be, marketplace is going to be need. So all these things are covered, and going out to further more details about the Internet of the Things, the blockchain technology, and a little bit of the edge computing, which you should be learning about as well. So these things are covered in this guide about the impact of the digital economy for students in the future. You can read, the link is below on this video. And if you have any questions, you're kind of lost, you don't know what to need to do, drop the comments below and ask me anything about the real economy. I have some videos done about the real entrepreneurship and the difference of real marketer and real entrepreneurship in this channel as well, where I covered about how I started as a real marketer, learned the skills, then I ended up becoming a real entrepreneur by starting my own agency and the web hosting company Seeker. So these things, I have a wealth of knowledge over a decade right now by being a real marketer, and then of course became a real entrepreneur. Now this is my career about real entrepreneur, sharing my knowledge and everything. So if you have any questions, make sure you drop below this video, like and subscribe for this channel. And I'm bringing all the interesting information about the digital economy, digital entrepreneurship, how to become a digital entrepreneur, what careers are taking over, so what are the real business models. So be tuned, and I'll be back in the next video, and I would like to hear from you. What are the things that you're thinking about and the changes that you see in the digital marketplace and the future of the digital economy? Because guys, it's getting really interesting, you know. So I like what I'm doing right now. This is the way, like, I mean, it's even in the night. I wanted to share this idea, and I wish you all the best. I want to hear from you. Be back in the next video. Make sure you subscribe.